Anyway, let's move on to software. What do you say? Software for these new chips, because a lot of stuff that they are capable of doing is via software. So as I mentioned in the keynote, Big Sur is built ground up. Big Sur is made ground up to run an ARM because उनको ही पता है after a couple of years it's gonna be all MacBooks and software से एक दिन में change नहीं कर सकते to ARM. So they are starting right now and Big Sur looks like it is made for ARM because Intel पे थोड़ा सा कुछ चीजें which don't seem obvious and stuff, but yeah, it's not bad at all. Big Sur is, I love Big Sur in general. मैं beta use कर रहा हूँ कब से. Yes. And the thing is, the improvements that they talked about 5 times, 2 times, जितना भी था, they are kind of a best case scenario. Like that is company marketing 101. Yes. Give the best case scenario हमेशा. Yes. Only if the developers optimize the software, then only you'll get those 18-hour battery lives with 5 times speed improvements. Yes. And the thing is, like I mentioned before, if you are a creative professional, go with the newer one. Don't go with the Intel one. That is my go-to answer. I agree. Because there is so much capability of usme ki it doesn't make sense to go Intel, even though you want the 16-inch. Just wait for the 16-inch to come. I think my M2 processor ke sath aayega. I don't know. Still have M1. But yeah, don't go with Intel right now if you do creative work like sound design, some music, video.
Essentially, if you do anything other than coding, go for the M1.
I'll be coming to coding. Coding is something which you can't do in one application. Like you can, one application is एक ही company नहीं बनाता anything related to coding. There's Google making some, there's Apple making some, there's Facebook making some. If you switch to ARM, you will get Apple ka support, but you won't get Google and stuff ka support. As of now, at least. Like बाद में it might change. Maybe Apple has partnerships with Google, Facebook to bring their stuff to you, but a lot of stuff is open source, which does not work on ARM. Yeah. And as much as Apple likes to sell Rosetta, Rosetta is the thing which
cross-platform enables cross-platform.
Cross-platform. Like ARM say it will emulate x86. I don't think as a cross libraries and वो सब काम करेगा properly. Like libraries which communicate with multiple stuff at once. I don't think that's gonna work.
Apparently, Carl Federighi भैया ने एक बहुत मस्त वाला claim किया था. Do you remember what the claim was? He was like, Rosetta Stone major emulations hai. They run better than running native.
That might be true.
That could be true, but like I need to.
But it is only in certain applications, not in every application.
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. That's exactly what I mean. Tall claim, man.
Good call. If your app runs better on Rosetta than on x86, either processor बेकार है या फिर तुम्हारा app बेकार है जिसने भी किया था. So that's the thing. If you're a coder, don't change your entire system because
don't do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go through detail में इधर. The reason your current applications won't work on the ARM chip is because उनका instruction set अलग होता है. When you type code, it gets converted to machine code, and that is what is actually communicating with the processor.
Yep.
So communication ही break हो जाता है because the language is changed. Right? Different from x86 to ARM, the instruction set is changed. And as much as you want to emulate and simulate it, कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा. And you'll be left in the dust because as we move fast in the coding community, but I don't think overnight सारा library shift हो जाएगा to ARM and वो हो गया तो it won't work with x86. And let's be honest, coding is just not done on Macs. It's done on a lot of machines. सब करते हैं वगैरह, and not all of them support ARM. That is why 16-inch they didn't release an ARM version for that. There might be different reasons, but they are not cutting Intel off abhi tak. They're having a 2-year transition period, and they'll have new MacBooks coming with new Intel chips in the future. That's not stopping either. But they have given these 2 years for software development software to transition to ARM. But I don't know if that will happen because let's be honest, MacBooks only have a certain share of the pie coding community. में काफी ज़्यादा part is covered by Ubuntu.
Yes.
And stuff. Absolutely. And I don't think
people are going to change in 2 years.
Exactly. No. So the thing is, Ubuntu runs on ARM. It's just that the people who are actually doing coding on Ubuntu machines have beefy machines, x86 architecture around.
Yes.
And they are not going to switch to ARM anytime
They're
soon.
not going to do that.
And they are the people making that stuff. So I don't know ARM के लिए बनाएंगे कि नहीं. They will make like Android Studios वगैरह ऐसा important चीजें आ जाएगा. बस तो little ऐसा side वाला sidelines की edge cases उनको बोलते हैं in
Yes.
whatever place. But I think that's going to be a problem. So if you're a coder, I would not recommend going ARM, at least right now. It might change in the future, but
Fair enough. Cool.